In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Stockx. First, open the Stockx app on your phone or go to the Stockx website in your browser. Make sure you're logged in so your cart and checkout details sync properly across devices. If you haven't used the app in a while, a quick update helps everything load smoothly, and confirming your region and currency will ensure prices show correctly for you. Next, search for the item you want. Use the search bar at the top and type the model name, colorway, or style code if you know it. You can also browse by category to discover related options. On the results page, use filters like brand and category to narrow things down and pay attention to the size category, men's, women's, or kids, so you land on the correct product page. Once you're on the item page, select your preferred size. Stockx shows a size grid. Tap or click the size you want. Prices can vary by size, so you may notice a slight change when you switch. Double check you're choosing the right size family, especially for unisex or EU-UK conversions, and confirm any half-size preferences before moving on. Now choose how you want to proceed. Click Buy Now if you want to purchase immediately at the lowest ask, or select Add to Cart if you'd like to keep browsing and bundle multiple items in a single checkout. Both options lock in the size you selected. The main difference is whether you head straight to checkout or continue shopping. Before you commit, review the item details and price. Look over the colorway, SKU, and product photos on the page to make sure it matches what you intend to buy. Check the price breakdown so you understand the item price alongside applicable fees, taxes, and shipping. You can also view the market data and recent sales to see how your price compares. Remember, StockX authenticates items before they're sent to you, and you'll see an estimated delivery window based on that process. When you're ready, proceed to your cart by tapping the cart icon. Review everything carefully: item name, size, and the current total. If something looks off, adjust the size or remove the item here before moving forward. Finally, continue to checkout if you're ready to purchase. You'll confirm your order details and place the order from there. Take a last moment to verify the size and total cost so there are no surprises. If you're not ready to buy, you can leave the item in your cart and come back later. Just remember that prices on marketplace items can change, and that's it. Quick, clear, and done. Happy shopping!